Your dream is to create a game, but you don't have enough time. A lot of excuses, but you just don't progress on your game. Stay tuned, I will help you out on how to achieve this. So here's my excuses. I have a family with my wife, 3 young child and a dog. I have a full-time job too. Or just feeling not good enough, even though I have 20 years of experience in software development. Tips number 1. Find your game engine and stick with it. There's no right or wrong game engine. So I choose Unreal Engine, but there's some big caveat with this engine. They release features quite often. All the new tools are cool, but you need to stay focused and try only things that are relevant to your project or solve some issues that you're having right now. You should know your strengths and weaknesses. Try to find tools to help you out. In today's world, there's a lot of tools, free ones and paid ones, that can improve your project. For Unreal, I use JetBrains IDE Writer. It's really fast for code completion and integrates well with Copilot if you have a subscription. Even though I have 20 years of experience in coding, Copilot helps me a lot for all the boilerplate code and helped me with the Unreal API, because the documentation, let's be real, it's not really good.
Wow!
You should not be afraid to use asset pack. They are made by pros, and the only one that will know that it comes from Marketplace, it's the other game dev. The Unreal Marketplace is a really good place to start with, but there are some others, like ArtStation, KitOps, Gscatter, BlenderKit, and a million more. I will provide the links in the description. I encourage you to use asset, but you should know the basics of 3D modeling, texturing, animation, because eventually you have to know how to modify these assets to adapt it to your project or your own style. To track tasks and documentation, I use Jira and Confluence from Atlassian. I have a roadmap with a big to-do list. Once in a while you'll be stuck with something really hard to find the solution, just switch to another task and come back later on. The right tools will help you out to progress on your game, but you need to work on it every single day, even if it's for 5 minutes or an hour. I use my phone to take notes or generate images. So here's my little tips to improve your project and progress every day on it. If you have other tools that you're using, please let me know in the comments. If you want to follow my quest to release my first game, please subscribe.